In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a rear window regulator on a Nissan Sentra. This is located in the rear door. We're going to start off at the rear door panel. As you can see, we have a window switch and a silver trim piece. We're going to go ahead and pry these up. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver. And I'm going to use a pry tool. I'm going to pull up, lift, and undo the connector. Inspect for any corrosion. Now I'm going to move along to the top with the same pry tool. I'm going to gently pry up. Now I'm going to locate the 10mm bolt holding the door panel to the door. Set it aside. Now I'm going to reach to the bottom of the door panel and give it a nice hard pull, undoing the clips. I'm going to lift up and set it aside. Now we're going to go ahead and remove our vapor barrier. Just going to pry the adhesive off. So that our connectors we can just set it aside for now. Now I'm going to grab my window switch, reconnect the connector. I'm going to lower my window down until I can see the nuts on each side. So you can see there's one, the other one's right here. Now we're going to proceed to removing my window motor connector. I'm going to be using some needle nose pliers. Inspect for corrosion and set it aside. Now I'm going to undo the two fasteners holding the window onto the assembly. One right here and one right here. Set it aside. Now we're going to support our window. Masking tape works well for this. Lift it up, hold both sides, grab your tape, make sure it's secure. Now you're going to want to remove the last 6 bolts holding the assembly to the door. I want to remove the assembly out of the door. There it is. Now we're going to go ahead and slide the new one in. I'm going to locate these two mountings. Grab the 10mm nut. We're going to locate thread holes for the other side. Use your 10mm fasteners. Now we're going to snug these up. Now you're going to want to locate the pigtail for the new motor and connect them. Ensure they click, set it aside. Now we're going to grab our window switch again, connect it, and lower it to the proper orientation. One here and one here. And disconnect. So now we're going to want to undo our tape. Now slowly lower the window back down. You're going to want to slide your bracket over to the lines with thread holes. Now we're going to grab our 10mm fasteners and hand tighten them down to the window. Now that these are hand threaded in, we're going to snug them down. Before we reinstall anything else, I'm going to reconnect this and ensure the window works properly, making sure it goes all the way up and all the way down. Now to remove this and set it aside. Now I'm going to reinstall the vapor barrier. I'm going to slide my pigtail in through the slot. Now we're going to reinstall our door panel. I'm going to slide in the pigtail through the slot. Hook it over. Now we're going to go to the top, ensuring the door panel slides over the door frame. Press it down firmly to make sure. We're going to push on the door panel clips to make sure they seat. You should hear multiple audible clicks. Now for our door panel bolt. 10mm. I'm going to hand thread it in. And snug it down. Now for our door panel switch. Grab the connector and reconnect it. Make sure you hear a click and it's secure. Push down firmly. We're going to go up top to our door handle. We're going to reinstall the bezel. It just slides over and clicks into place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.